One rainy afternoon, Liam was walking home from school when he noticed something shining near an old oak tree. Curious, he bent down and picked it up. It was a small golden key with strange symbols carved into it. He looked around, but there was no one nearby. What could this key open? He wondered. The next day, Liam decided to explore the abandoned house at the end of his street. People said no one had lived there for many years. The front door was locked, but the golden key did not fit. As he walked around the house, he found a tiny wooden door hidden behind thick bushes. His heart beat faster. He carefully placed the key into the lock. Click. The door slowly opened. Inside, Liam discovered a secret room filled with old books, maps, paintings, and dusty boxes. On a wooden table lay a letter. It read, "To the person who finds this key, knowledge is the greatest treasure." These books contain stories, inventions, and ideas collected from around the world. Protect them and never stop learning. Liam spent hours reading the books. Every page taught him something new about history, science, nature, and different cultures. He visited the secret room every weekend. Instead of keeping the discovery to himself, he invited his closest friends. Together, they cleaned the room and turned it into a small library where children could read and learn. Years later, many people said that little library had changed their lives. Some became teachers. Others became scientists, artists, engineers, or writers. Liam smiled whenever he remembered the rainy afternoon when he had found the mysterious golden key. He realized that the key had never been meant to open a door. It had opened a future full of curiosity, friendship, and endless learning.